Well, they're going to show the house today, so I've got to get out. Let's see, the schedule for today is, oh my god, all the way to 6 p.m. Guess I'll drive up into the mountains. It's nice and cool this morning, but I got a funny feeling if I don't hurry up and get up into the mountains, it will be very hot down here.
Come on now.
Do you know if they still have the park closed?
No, the park is open.
Okay, I'm just going to drive straight through. I'm not stopping anywhere.
Yeah, and the park is open.
Okay.
The only thing that's closed are the little stores up there.
Yeah, I'm not going to do that.
791. Go ahead.
It's different going uphill.
Oh.
Wow. Going downhill to the Sherman was a piece of cake. Going uphill with all this equipment, not so easy. Especially with my asthma. Okay, so I went down that long hill to go see the tree called the Sherman. It was no problem going downhill. Oof, but coming back up, that was a killer. Paul called me or texted me on the phone. I just happened to hit a, I guess a hot spot and got his text. I guess there's a couple of cash buyers that want to buy my house. He wants to talk to me about it.